you are involved in an urban project development or investment and want to understand how to create greater value in the urban environment through digital transformation, we propose workshops for professionals and certified online trainings. Let's start with a question which looks simple. What is a city? If you don't know what it is, how can we solve any urban challenges? If we continue to build cities like we do today, we will create cities more crowded, more congested, more polluted. It's not that we don't know how to create great architectures, enjoyable communities and successful economies. But when we design urban projects, we forget that they will be used in a complex environment. A city is a systemic environment. The problem is that we have a false representation of a city. Technology has invaded our cities, and this digital revolution will have a significant impact on the urban environment in the future. The objectives of the Institute are to do research studies and also to train students and professionals on how to create value in cities based on new urban strategy, urban digital transformation, urban management, urban innovation, and entrepreneurship. Please check on our website for the multiple certified online courses, as well as the dates and locations of our workshops. I am Professor Philippe Bouvier, founder of the Institute of Urban Value Creation. See you soon.